Hello and welcome to Pandora. In today's video, we'll see how to renew the license of your environment with the Command Center. First, we must remember that installations with Command Centers are centralized environments, in the sense that the Command Center itself provides the necessary license to the nodes so that the environment can work. That way, it will only be necessary to update the license in the Command Center. That being said, let's see how it's done. The first step will be to access the web console of your Command Center and access with the administrator user credentials, which by default are admin Pandora. Go to the configuration license section. In this view, you have all the data related to the license that you have active at this time, such as expiration date, agent limit in the environment, agent count, etc. To update, click on the button at the bottom right that says Request a new license. After clicking, a window will open where you must enter the authentication key, which is previously provided by Pandora sales team. Click on Line Validation and it will be applied to the environment. Now, if you reload the license view, you will see that the expiration date is modified, so that the newly applied license increases the validity time of the environment license, indicating that the new license was applied correctly. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked the video, smile, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions, or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.